What's up, guys? We got a new product here from MORRFlate. It is their new PSI Pro, PSI Pro 10 inflator deflator. We tested it out. We already tested it out into a little unboxing and everything. Tested on a trail. It works really good. Didn't get hot or anything, so we're gonna do a little unboxing here so you guys can see everything that comes inside of it. Packed nicely with some styrofoam, and then it comes in a cool little bag here. So inside there is just more styrofoam in the bottom. And the box just has a picture of it, the basic specs of it. 10.6 CSM single cylinder, has an auto stop for your different pressures you want. 12 volt for vehicles. Compatible with their multi-tire inflation hoses that they have. That's what we used with it. So it does have little pockets on the back and little pockets in the front there. Got two little zippers on it. And when you get it brand new, it comes inside of a plastic bag. The main bag is just one big pocket. You unwrap the plastic. There we go. So here's the gauge here. Here's power. Your desired pressure you want here. It's mounted on little rubber feet there. And rubber feet are on the actual main part and they'll sit on the ground. So on the back here we have positive negative cable. The cables are pretty long. We used our Lexus GX 460. We had the cable plugged in there and set on the ground. We put out a good amount of distance. Here's the actual airline. Everything, nice quality. Everything plugged in real well when we used our 4-hose adapter for doing all the tires at the same time. And here's the handle. Folds up, folds down. When you stow it away, it also makes it nice to carry it around. This is their new design. Everything is super nice on it. So yeah, definitely pretty cool. Definitely super happy with the quality of it. We will toss some footage of using it in. But yeah, I just want to give you guys basic little unboxing of what it looks like if you order one up. So yeah, check out some of this air up, air down footage of it on our last trip we went on. And yeah, check it out.